So if you've seen a couple videos that I've made, you'll know that I always like to draw pictures because they really help you out, and it's a good way to not get problems wrong. Drawing a big picture. This is one of those problems where it's going to get confusing because we have a lot of distances and we want to make sure that we have a clear picture to make sure we label everything the right way. So let's read this problem together. It says that we have a camera with a lens that has a focal length of 6 centimeters. Takes a picture of a 1.4 meter tall man that stands away. So I want to see that I have meters and centimeters. Oh, and the man stands 11 meters away. The height of the image is about what? So I have a camera that has a focal length of 6 centimeters. F equals 0.0, let's do 6 centimeters. I'm going to convert everything into centimeters. The man is standing 11 meters away. So my object distance is 11 meters, or 1100 centimeters. 11 times 100 centimeters. And its height, the height of the object, is 140 centimeters, 1.4 meters. And what I want to know is the height of the image. So I'm going to form some image, and it's going to have some height, and I want to know the height of the image. So I go to the equation that I know. It's 1 over p is equal, or plus 1 over I is equal to 1 over f. I'm going to start substituting in values for this, and I'm going to see that I have 1 over p is going to be 1 over 1100 plus 1 over I is equal to 1 over 6. And if I work out the math on this, I is approximately equal to 6 centimeters. This 1100 centimeters is quite far away compared to the 6 centimeter focal length. So this is essentially, this guy right here is essentially equal to 0. So I is approximately equal to 6 centimeters. It's not quite, but close enough. But if I know that I is 6 centimeters, then I need to figure out the height. Well, I'm going to use that the magnification is given by the object, or the image over the object distances, which is also equal to the image height over the object height. So my image distance is 6 centimeters. My object distance is 1100 centimeters. My image height, which is really what I want to know, and my object height is 140 centimeters. So I'm going to multiply this through. I'm going to get 4. So 6 times 0 gives me a 0. 6 times 4 gives me 24. So 4 carry my 2. 6 times this is going to give me, 6 times 1 is going to give me 6 plus the 2. So I'm looking at 840 over 1100. So 84 over 110. I can actually look at my answers now and reduce this down to be, this is 80 over, about 80 over 100, which looks like 77 or 0.77 centimeters. So this is going to give me 0.77 centimeters. So I didn't even actually have to use a calculator for this, but let's review how this works. First thing, I drew a picture, clearly labeled my object distance and height, my focal length, my image distance and height. I used our general equation for solving object image focal length, or that relationship, to solve for the image. And then I used that the magnification of the image over the object distance is equal to the height of the image over the height of the object, and solved everything through. So not a bad problem, but just took us a little bit of calculation to get there.